Students, welcome to the class, and this video is for class 11th. And today we discuss about some basic concepts regarding matter, its classification, on the basis of different types of properties associated with the matter at the very elemental level. So, as we all know that all the things are made up of matter, we can define a matter as all the substances which have some mass and occupy some space, have some mass and occupy at least some space is matter. And everything around us belongs to the category of matter, like pen, copy, table, chair, water, air, or anything, any solid material like iron, copper, all are metals because they are made up of tiny particles which are known as constituent particle. And arrangement of these constituent particles, which are the submatter species, so on the basis of the arrangement of these constituent particles, matters can be divided into three types. These are the three primitive types, that is solid, liquid and gases. Solid, liquid and gases. So, a solid may be defined as fixed shape, fixed volume, low intermolecular separation and strong intermolecular attraction. You can write the separation as negligible also, because the separation is negligible in case of solid. Now, for liquids, the volume is fixed, but the shape is not fixed. Shape not fixed. Shape जो है लिक्विड का फिक्स नहीं होता है. And the intermolecular separation between the particles, intermolecular separation between particles are larger than solids. And force of attraction is less than solid. लिक्विड का जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है वो सॉलिड से हमेशा कम है, लेकिन उसका जो अरेंजमेंट है वो क्या है, उसमें स्पेस ज़्यादा है, दो पार्टिकल्स के बीच में गैप ज़्यादा है, इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर सेपरेशन ज़्यादा है. नाउ फॉर गैसेस वी कैन से गैसेस नॉट फिक्स्ड इन शेप एज वेल एज वॉल्यूम. ना ही शेप फिक्स है ना ही वॉल्यूम फिक्स है. एंड सेपरेशन is very large and attraction is very less. Separation is very large and attraction is very less. So, a gas molecule have free structure. You can't determine the structure of a gas. A matter belongs to the gaseous category. You can't determine the shape and size of that particular matter. So I have some figure for you. Like this is a solid, this is a liquid, and this is gas. There is no separation between constituent particles. There is some separation with less attraction as compared to the solid in case of liquid particles, but in case of gas there is no attraction between two constituent particles due to the large separation between them. A matter can also be classified. A matter can also be classified into element, compound, and mixture. A matter can also be classified into elements, compounds, and mixture. So, elements are the purest substance. एलिमेंट्स आर द प्योर सब्सटेंस, जो सबसे ज्यादा प्योर होगा उसको एलिमेंट कहेंगे. तो हमारे पास कितने एलिमेंट हैं? जितने भी पीरियोडिक टेबल में है सब एलिमेंट ही एलिमेंट है. ठीक है. कंपाउंड, व्हेन एलिमेंट कंबाइंड इन फिक्स्ड रेशियो, व्हेन एलिमेंट्स कंबाइंड टुगेदर इन फिक्स्ड रेशियो. ये सारी चीजें आपने अपने छोटी क्लासेस में पढ़ी हैं, मैं आपको एक रिवीजन के तौर पे बता रहा हूं. ये सब कंपाउंड क्या है? एलिमेंट जो फिक्स रेशियो में कंबाइन कर जाए. लाइक HCl इज अ कंपाउंड, H2SO4 is a compound as well as CH3COOH is also a compound. If we consider this sugar molecule, that is C12H22 and O11, then this is also a compound. Because in all these cases the ratio of combining elements to form a new type of substance is always fixed. In any of the reaction, if HCl is the product, then the ratio will be 1:1. If H2SO4 is the product, then always whenever H2SO4 will form, it will 2H, 1S and 4O. This is the common structure of H2SO4, which cannot be violate in case of any of the chemical reaction, in case of any of the possible chemical reaction. So this is the compound. The very basic concept of compound is this: the ratio will be fixed of combining element. Now in case of mixtures, in case of mixtures, they have unfixed ratio. उनका रेशियो कभी फिक्स नहीं होगा. लाइक मिक्सचर ऑफ सैंड प्लस सॉल्ट, हमने थोड़ा सॉल्ट लिया, थोड़ा सैंड लिया, दोनों को मिक्स कर दिया आपस में. उसकी कोई फिक्स क्वांटिटी नहीं है कि कितने सॉल्ट में कितना सैंड डालना है तो कोई नया स्ट्रक्चर बन जाए. कोई नया स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बनेगा. दिस इज अ मिक्सचर जिसमें कोई भी फिक्स रेशियो नहीं हो, उसको मिक्सचर कहा गया. देन mixture can be of two type, element and compound don't have type actually, but a mixture have two types in the basic level. So the types of mixtures are homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now let's consider an example. Air is the mixture of different types of gases. क्या एयर क्या है? बहुत सारी गैसेस का एक मिक्सचर है. लेकिन जैसे यहाँ एयर है, अब इसमें कहीं कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है कि कहाँ ऑक्सीजन है, कहाँ नाइट्रोजन है, कहाँ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, कहाँ हीलियम है, कहाँ क्या है. ठीक है. क्यों भाई? क्योंकि दे मिक्स टुगेदर इन अ well pattern. You can't differentiate between them. A mixture in which you can't differentiate between the constituents of mixture. So this is the homogeneous mixture. If you start differentiating, then it becomes heterogeneous. अगर आप डिफरेंस करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं तो वो हेट्रोजीनियस हो जाएगा, लाइक ऑयल एंड वाटर, ऑयल प्लस वाटर, सैंड प्लस वाटर. जब रेत को आप पानी में घुलाएंगे, पहली बात तो वो घुलेगा नहीं, दूसरी बात आपको दिखेगा भी कि रेत कहाँ है और वाटर कहाँ है. देन दिस इज हेट्रोजीनियस बिकॉज यू कैन डिफरेंशिएट between the constituent particles of a mixture with the help of your neck dyes even. So this is mixture. Now a scientist named Avogadro इन्होंने क्या बताया कि there is a measurement known as mole, and mole is what? This is the unit to measure the substance. Now 1 mole is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. 23 particles. Like अगर मैंने लिख दिया 1 mole CO2 molecule है, then it is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of CO2. Molecules of CO2. अगर यहां मॉलिक्यूल की जगह मैंने गैस भी लिखा होता, then it is also equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of CO2 because carbon dioxide is a gas and gaseous carbon dioxide is a molecule. So 1 mole of carbon dioxide molecule is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules together present as a gas. Now this mole can be given weight upon molecular weight. This mole can be calculated as given weight upon molecular weight. अब given weight क्या है? Given weight is the variable weight. गिवन वेट वो वेट है जो कि वेरी कर सकता है. आप दुकान पे जाते हैं, वहाँ दुकानदार से कहते हैं चीनी चाहिए, भाई कितना चाहिए? 250 ग्राम, 500 ग्राम, 1 किलो, 2 किलो, 1.5 किलो. ये वेरिएबल वेट है, ये क्या है? गिवन वेट. लेकिन अगर केमिस्ट्री के हिसाब से बात करें तो शुगर का क्या फॉर्मूला हो गया? C12H22O11. अब इसका वेट फिक्स है, 342 ग्राम आएगा. सबको ऐड कर देंगे तो 12 इंटू 12 प्लस 1 इंटू 22 प्लस 11 इंटू 16 तो क्या आ जाएगा? 144 प्लस 22 प्लस 176 आ जाएगा 342. तो ये फिक्स है, लेकिन उसका गिवन वेट जो है वो चेंज कर सकता है. तो गिवन वेट अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर वेट का जो रेशियो है दैट इज मोल, एंड मोल विल बी इक्वल्स टू 6.022 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ CO2. Now, from mole, we can calculate concentration. Concentration is the amount of solute present in the solution. Amount of solute present in the solution. If amount of solute is less and solvent is very large, then it is dilute. So, two types of solutions are there. One is dilute and another is concentrated. Concentrated. So the different types of concentration units are molarity, molality, normality, mass percentage and volume percentage, plus one more mole fraction. So guys, this is all about the today's lecture, and in the next class we will discuss about these concentration term in detail with their units and their formula, how to calculate molarity, molality, normality, mass percentage and mole fraction. These are the very important topics. So keep studying and good day have. Okay, thank you.